Grateful Thursday, May 9, 2024, and it's a very beautiful Thursday morning. Siyempre, sunny na naman. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating doon sa buhay natin at sa mga kasama nito mga pagsubok and challenges which makes our life beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At siyempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin, pasalamat din tayo. At doon sa mga taong nakikimarites lang doon sa buhay natin. Shout out to kay Glenda, kay Glenn Snow, at kay Pucci, kay Magic Trade, kay Cecil Boris, kay Mama Lu, kay Luis and Susan, Michael and Michelle Lomongo, Joey Moreno, Richard Capardo, Dennis Aison Buot, Carmel and Fermilim, Carl Anthony Orbi and Jackie Villarin, Mabel Andres, Jima David, Ida Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Cinta Baron, Rachel Pastolero, and Eds My Love. Tapos sa lahat ng technician and staff ng Coslit Iligan, Usamis, Danao del Norte, Zamboanga, and Davao. Ripples of the day natin po is learn to say your prayers in silence and most importantly in gratitude. With all your life's challenges and hardships you are facing now, don't let it kill your prayers. Instead, fill your prayers with thankfulness and joy of the blessings that you have been given and enjoy the miracles that is soon to come. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to this video. Good morning and have a blessed Thursday, everyone.